Okay, gentlemen, I'm recording this session. I record on the put on the YouTube. If anybody have any problem, please do let me know right now. Otherwise, you can leave the meeting peacefully. Okay. Now I'm going to show you a picture. Okay, gentlemen, please put a pen down. Stop writing. Everyone, quick. Anil, Mesh, Devrat, Aditya, everyone, quick. कौशिक सीधे बैठो तो पुशअप लगवा दूंगा कौशिक सिट स्ट्रेट
So I'm feeling straight, sir. Maybe the angle of the camera is.
Okay. So, gentlemen, the next part is the narration part. Now, one by one, each and every individual write the story, and once the last person does the story, you have to start a discussion. In the course of discussion, you have to come with the common group story and select one leader who going to give the group story to the SSS. So, will you send me the image personally? Okay, fine. Okay. So, number 1, Anshul. Number 2, Saurabh. Number 3, Anil. Number 4, Venkat. Number 5, Umesh. Number 6, Devrat. Number 7, Chaitanya. Number 8, Aditya. Number 10, Kaushik. Number 11, Anurag. All three gentlemen? Okay.
Sir, I'm number 3, sir.
Number 1, Anshul, Saurav, Anil, then Venkat, Umesh, Devrat, Chaitanya, Aditya, Kaushik, and Anurag. Anurag, send you a photo, go through that and write the story. You're the last. Anshul, start.
Good evening, gentlemen. From the picture shown to us, I have perceived one character in the story, male, age 24, mood positive, and action of my story is enjoying the adventures and a solo trip in a Dharchula range. So, Stony is working in a software developer in a Nainital. After being taking the incentives from the company, he prepared for a weekly solo trip where he enjoyed the Dharchula range, also doing the tracking with the good fitness and the mountain gears. Once he completed the tracking in the range, he felt at the top and he enjoys the ride. That yes, this was the most.
Good evening, gentlemen. Good evening, gentlemen. From the story, I perceive one male character, mood positive, aged 24, and my action of the story is seeing the development of the village. Robert, a 26-year-old working in MNC in Australia, one day decided to go back to his hometown. So he went on a trekking and he saw that the whole village was completely developed and the roads and the infrastructure, and there was a hospital.
Good evening, gentlemen. I perceived one character, male, age of 24. So, the theme of the story is basically trekking to the hill place of local area. So, Jacob, who is a 24-year student, has came to the home, and in the social media, using social media, he has seen some local places which are good for trekking. So after that, he packed the his food items and the clothes and the necessary equipment.
Next.
After that, he gone for trekking.
Gentlemen, from the picture, I have perceived one character, gender male, and in the age group of 25 years and in the neutral mode. Action of my story is solo hiking trip in Nandi Hills, Bengaluru. Subhash, 25 years old, is a postgraduate. He was working as a team leader in a corporate company in Bangalore. So he was overwhelmed with his work. So in order to refresh his mind, he decided to go for solo hiking trip in the Nandi Hills. So he planned his journey accordingly and started packing the bags with necessary items such as first aid kit, tents, rucksack, etc. And he completed the hiking trip successfully.
Next.
Later, he came.
Good evening, friends. From the picture shown to us, I perceived one character, 25-year-old male and in positive mood. The action of my story is enjoying the trekking in Aravalli Hills. Rohan was an NCC cadet and he was very enthusiastic to do thrilling activities. This time he decided to do a 200-kilometer trek in Aravalli Hills. He chose the Aravalli Hills for this trek. He embarked his journey. Before embarking the journey, he packed his food, packed the medicines, put the rope, knife, and all essential elements. In the meanwhile, he made new friends. He came to know about various village culture.
Next.
He enjoyed the.
Good evening, gentlemen. From the picture, I perceived one male character. Mood is positive. Age is 25. My action of the story is come back in new way. Ankit is studying in Dholpur Military School since class 6. His aim was to join NDA. In his 12th class, he make it to the NDA with his principal and warden guidance. After the training in NDA, he come back to his village in new way. Thank you.
Good evening, gentlemen. What I perceive from the picture is a male character who is 25 years of age and mood is neutral. Rana Naidu, my action of my study is planning a trip, planning a solo adventure trip. Rana Naidu, final year college boy, decided to go on a solo trip after his final semester exam. So he took all the necessary items like magnetic compass, his smartwatch and all. He marked many locations. One of them is Lahiri village in Nepal, which is full of beautiful scenarios and breathtaking places. After
Good evening, gentlemen. From the given picture, I perceive a 21 years man who is in the positive mood, and the action of my story is organizing a trip to Kasol. Antonio, who is a 22 years old boy who is also a president of Road Track Club and currently studying in St. Xavier's College, and he decided to give a trip to his club members in Kasol. So he planned all the itineraries. As the trip was for the beginners, so he chose the path of 21 kilometers, choosing a good mind with good mindset and hard dedication. He achieved to complete the track and make his fear away from that track. Thank you.
Gentlemen, from the picture, I perceived one male character, age around 25-year-old, mood is positive. Action of my story is going for trekking. Rahul, a 25-year-old working in a big MNC. After completing the project early, he asked for his senior to go to give him vacation. Rahul got vacation and he decided to go to a Simla to enjoy the vacation. He make his itinerary, booked the ticket, he gathered all the necessary items like woolen cloths, trekking shoes, and map and camping material. He did trekking to a mountain and see a very beautiful view of a village. Then he reached to the near place safely and again going to a work and start working with a fresh energy. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. According to my perception, I perceive one character. His age group of 28, character male and positive mode. Anurag is a government employee. He is a travel enthusiast. Whenever he will get leave from his office, he used to get trek in the mountains. Before trekking, he made book the ticket to the Bihar hills. He took all the first aid medicines. He took all the protective gears, as well as he took a DSLR camera for beautiful photography. He went to the spot. He clicked beautiful picture of that village. He started a trekking through the village, and he went to the hill. And during that trekking.
So friends, we can make him an NCC cadet.
We can make it's clear that there's only one.
We can make a story around the way that there is a solo trip that is going on by a man. He is working in a particular company or a particular. We can also do that. He is also a blogger.
We can make him like
Blogs in particular location.
we can make him NCC cadet.
The important destination. We can make that
student, which is
the solo trip.
Take a
adventurous ride. We can also take that with the certain itinerary.
that kind of sickness
necessary items
The
like
destination,
necessary items like
even plot
binoculars
Trekking route at
and like
Arauli Hills. You can take Arauli Hills as a
By
trekking route.
social media,
we can take any particular destination,
protective
camera
gears
mods,
enjoy
looking a
and
very good
with pack
protective gears and
all the food
we
stuff
can
that are
also
basic needs.
he
We
take
can also take the all
see a very
mountaineering
good
gears
scenery
that
of a
are
village.
required, like knife, rope,
everything. Yes, we can
quality of the shoes that are required. We can
knife
take
rope is okay.
for that
We will add this point that he took all the
the
necessary
camera is he's a vlogger or
We
a
can add
photography.
binoculars.
He is pursuing the
knife is
photography. We can take
Arauli Hills as a
So
trekking site.
in solo
Went
trip
on
we
the
use
track.
the GPS
he
system.
shoot many videos.
It's a story.
He also take the certain videos from the bird sanctuary
In solo trip we can
there,
add technological
and also
went on a solo adventure trip.
also we can take the GPS system. We can take tracking pattern at the same time.
which he has.
Also, we can take the magnetic compass for the direction.
He will able to easily
Compass for the direction.
Ropes,
And he
Yeah.
also take the camp
at this point
Rope,
that
mountain.
in his smartwatch he
Yes.
installed a
He made
advanced
to be
GPS
very
system
Take a one,
to be able to navigate
take a one
and
ready made
tracking.
that is
many
that is
photographs
easily
that
installed. That
he
is
later sent
to operate it.
He
later
clicked
sold
very
We
to
take
his
good
one time that is
photographs and
easily
all the
operated.
things.
and
He also
they also
took a
Very
local
fast.
to visit
Just
village
Then
where
he
he
captured
was
certain
very
videos
grateful.
from the wildlife sanctuary. There's also a wildlife sanctuary where he captured many videos of the birds.
many
He
videos and
makes
photos of the place where he
YouTube channel.
after the
There's the
training
tourism.
he later sold all
Enhances the
photos
tourism
and
of the particular
beautiful
area.
photographs
As being a
in his
responsible citizen, he also enhances the tourism of the
we
area.
can add
The certain
we can add
videos putting on
after
the
returning
Instagram and the Facebook. He using the
yes
certain social networking sites. Also, there's a heritage. The reason that is very heritage
this social media
because of the heritage
he uploaded all the
videos
photographs on his social
on
media
the
platforms
Instagram and the
and
YouTube, where he can
at this
take.
point that the hobby of a person
know
just for
about
a
that
trekking.
He's also a solo trapper. He's also a solo rider. He enjoys the ride
very
in the
beautiful
terrain.
scenario.
As the terrain is very thick, he enjoys the terrain. Yes,
Trekking. He
we
goes
can take
Arauli for
a
the
tracking,
trekking
and we
site.
can also take a solo ride.
He packed the
No,
food.
We can take a solo wild ride.
trekking is a good time. I think trekking is a good time. I think
It is very beautiful. We can take a particular destination
With good friends and love, love
as
boundary.
while
pointed out that
Solo
Friends,
trip
love and nature.
and we can also take that he
uploaded
also
also on a
enjoyed the
social
local
media.
cuisines. We can
Yes,
also take that
We
he
can add
enjoyed
this
the
point that
local
he has
cuisines.
uploaded
He uploaded on the
that he loves
Instagram.
the
pictures of
This also enhances the
that
social
village
networking of
and
the particular area.
we can and many people came to know about
He buys certain things that are culturally
so much
heritage
tourist
created a
true
very
of
good
that
memory.
particular
It
area.
was a unique
and so
memory.
and not so much
He
famous.
also go for the particular look.
Okay, gentlemen, now tell me who's your group leader. Quick.
If everyone is agreed, then I can add the group story.
All agree with Kaushik?
Gentlemen, may I narrate the common story?
I'm giving you last 30 seconds discuss and let me know who will be your group leader. Start.
Gentlemen,
So
if you
gentlemen,
agree,
may
then
I
I
We
will
can take that this is a solo rider.
Stories.
Enjoying in a solo ride. Also, we can take he
My story
in a photographic
and we have to
activity.
decide
Captured
which
all the
business.
scenic beauty of the particular area. Put on the YouTube.
We need to know about the places which
He's
are
also a blogger.
That much prone to tourism.
Okay, now tell me who's your group leader. Quick, give me a name.
Gentlemen, may I narrate the common story?
Sir,
Quick.
I'm supposed
I
to be
nominate
answered.
Aditya to narrate the story. I nominate Aditya to narrate the story.
All agree with Aditya? Anyone who's not agree with Aditya? All agree with him? All agree with him?
Either Ansul or Umesh.
Umesh.
You
Because
people are
they have
joker. I
better
don't
points.
understand. I'm asking you one name. You're telling me this and that. Last 20 seconds discuss and let me know who will be group leader. ये तो सब पुशअप मारोगे आज. हाथ टूटा हो, पैर टूटा हो, कुछ भी टूटा हो, और कोई कितना बीमार हो. 20 seconds. Go for it. Give me one fucking name. Simple.
Guys, first of
Friends,
all,
if
theme is
Give me a
clear.
chance for
There's a-
narrating the
good
story.
story.
It's a
we
adventure
can
school,
take test. This is
solo
the solo
adventure.
rider, and he also enjoyed the certain adventurous
Solo
ride.
adventure
And
trip,
let
and
have
during the
Let's nominate the
gentlemen, if you all agree,
nominate
then
the
let
leader.
narrate the story.
The certain
I think
photographic
let's vote for the
activities.
leader.
I think Umesh should narrate the story.
Okay, gentlemen, please stop it. Now tell me who's the group leader. Give me a name, quick.
Sir Umesh.
If everyone is agreed, then I can add the group story.
Umesh or Kaushik? For Kaushik, raise your hand. Okay, for Umesh.
So,
Okay, Umesh, go for it. Give the group story.
Thank you, group, for giving me this opportunity. Sir, as per our common story, we perceived a male character, age around 25, and in positive mood. The action of our story is enjoying the solo track. Ronit was an NCC cadet and he had a hobby of going to the long track. For this time, he chose the Aravalli Hills for his solo track. He packed essential items, packed food, and put compass and ropes, knives for the long track. Meanwhile, in the journey, he met with various village people and enjoyed the village food as well. He made good friends and came to know various village cultures. He wrote down the experiences and shared on the various social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. He was very happy to have a good and refreshed memory. And thank you.
All agree with the story? Anyone who's not agree with the story?
Yes, sir, I agree.
Agreed, sir.
Agreed, sir.
See, gentlemen, you need to understand. You have to select a one leader as soon as possible.
Agree, sir.
Otherwise, the whole batch will wash out. Whole batch like will wash out automatically. वो पूछेगा भी नहीं, दूसरी बार बोलेगा gentlemen, you can leave the room. खत्म. कौशिक, यू वुड हैव अंडरस्टैंड वेल इन एडवांस कि जब बंदे ने बोल दिया पहले ही, समवन टोल्ड, जब आपने नाम बोला खुद का, या दे नॉट एग्रीड विद यू, देन दे डोंट वांट टू सिलेक्ट यू एज अ लीडर. It's a correct sign. Don't try to put that thing again out in front of assessor. Okay, yes, these people are not selecting me. Same is for Venkat also. Or anybody is taking their own name. What the point?